So welcome to my video. Today I'm trying to weld up bits of my 460 turbo 1992. There's quite a bit of rust, as you can see, and I've already made a fairly poor attempt, I think, but given this is my first time at welding sheet metal, I think I've done a pretty good job. So that's the patch. I'm just going to tidy up around the holes. There's a few little bits here and there, and then this is my welding rig. So I've got 5% CO2 no sorry 5% argon, 95% CO2 sitting in here from Hobby Weld. And if I open this up, as you can see, we've currently got a decent amount in the bottle, and I've just gone above the MIG line. So if I